everyone, a very warm welcome to Look Gorgeous. Please do subscribe. Every day a new video at 5 p.m. Indian time related to the topics mentioned above, and a new video every day 7 p.m. Indian time related to affordable makeup products available in India, their review. And you can also buy these affordable makeup products from me. Please check out the description and watch all videos related to this series. Till now there are 4 videos. This is the 4th part. Please check out all the videos so that you can see all the necessary information and all the products. Make sure to check the description as well. अभी मिस क्लेयर अरेजिया मैट मी और इन कलर मैट मी के लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स भी जो हैं वो अवेलेबल है. Procedure is a little bit different for these 3 items. So also Miss Claire Shimmer Bricks highlighter is available. Procedure is a bit different, so please check out description for this thing carefully. मुझसे ख़रीदना है अगर आपको, तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स को अच्छे से चेक ज़रूर कर लीजिए, कुछ भी अगर आप मुझसे ख़रीदना चाहते हैं. और अभी मैं आपको ये दिखाने वाली हूँ जो नए प्रोडक्ट्स मेरे पास अवेलेबल हैं. ये वीडियो पार्ट 4 है अफोर्डेबल मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स इन इंडिया का, जिनको मैं सेल कर रही हूँ. ये पार्ट 4 है. तो जो नए प्रोडक्ट्स हैं इनको मैं दिखा रही हूँ, साथ में इनका डेमो और रिव्यू भी दूँगी.
So Abhi, I'm just starting with this primer which I have already shown in one of my videos. This is from Swiss Beauty. So without a primer, obviously I cannot proceed with my makeup, and this is how it looks like. It is very smooth and silicone in texture. You will really feel that silkiness, and this primer will make your makeup last for a very long time. Plus it will just make your face so smooth that your makeup would glide on really smoothly. And it is a zero pores primer, and I have open pores over here. It just fills in my pores and my makeup does not look awkward when I use this. अभी हमारे पास ये ADS का कंसीलर पैलेट है. ये वाला जो है ये मिनी वर्जन है. मेरे पास इसी पैलेट का ये बड़ा वाला साइज में है, तो मैं आपको इससे मेकअप करके दिखा देती हूँ. आपको कोई क्वालिटी में डिफरेंस नहीं है, जस्ट ये फ़र्क है कि वो 210 में मिलेगा और ये वाला आपको कितने में मिलेगा, ये 300 में मिलेगा. तो गो फॉर 210, उसमें शेड्स भी आपको ज़्यादा मिलेंगे. नाउ ये वाला जो है कंसीलर, मैं इसको ले रही हूँ. ये मेरे स्किन टोन से परफेक्टली मैच करता है. ऐसा है, क्रीमी है कंसिस्टेंसी में, आराम से लग जाता है हाथ पे. ब्रश वगैरह से लगाते हैं तो ब्रश के ऊपर डिपेंड करके कई बार नहीं भी आता, बट फिंगर से आप लेंगे ना आराम से लगेगा. देखो कितना easily it is blending, like really very easily, because of that primer. That primer is really great. And again I'm going to take a bit and I'm simply going to apply it all over my eyelid, right? Now I have one interesting stuff. Like, we all have beauty blenders, right? And we can see many beauty blenders, but in India unfortunately all of these are like really costly. I have got this one beauty blender from Mion. Current price of this is rupees 170, and it looks a bit small when you get a new one. Now I'm just going to dip it in water. I have a little bit water in one bowl with me, and it gets triple in size, like really. And this is how you use a beauty blender, that you dip it in water, or else you just place your beauty blender under running water, and then it just swells up a lot, like double in size or 1.5 times or sometimes triple in size. And in this case this is actually in my opinion it is triple in size. Like, just look at it, how big it is looking now, right? And I'll just squeeze out the water now. I'm squeezing out the water, sorry, be patient. And after squeezing all the water, just look at it, like really look at it, how amazing this is. I got around 14 pieces just 3 days back, I guess, and all are sold out. I got one for myself as well. Only one piece is left for now, but I'm surely gonna try to get some more pieces for you guys, because I know you all want some good beauty blenders. So look at it, and look at the concealer of ADS. It has hide my dark circle when I applied it once, and now I'll just take a little bit more concealer and we'll see if it covers the dark circles completely or not. And also See this pointed tip of this blender, it is just perfect for going on the inner corner of your eyes, plus for applying concealers, contouring, that thin nose bridge highlighting thing. And this part is just perfect for blending in your foundation. अभी उस पैलेट में और बहुत चीज़ें हैं, आई जस्ट शो यू इन अ मिनट और सो. अभी आप ये देख लीजिए, यहाँ पर हमारे पास ये HR का कंसीलर और प्राइमर वाला कॉम्बो है. नीचे आपको ये थोड़ा सा प्राइमर मिल जाएगा इसमें. ये देख लीजिए, यहाँ पर आपको नीचे प्राइमर मिल जाएगा, साथ में आपको ऊपर ये अच्छा सा हिलारी रोडा का कंसीलर मिलेगा. ठीक है, मेरा शेड जो है ये 2 है, इसमें थोड़ा येलो अंडरटोन है, मुझे येलो अंडरटोन पर्सनली पसंद है. 3 शेड्स में अवेलेबल है, 1, 2 और 3 में. ये कंसीलर जो है ये काफ़ी अच्छा है. बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि ये जो कंसीलर्स वगैरह होते हैं ना, दे टेंड टू गेट dry a lot and they just cake up on your face. Most of them do so. So we always need to apply a primer under a concealer. If you are someone like me who don't like to use foundation on everyday basis, but sometimes we just want to conceal the dark circles, then before using a concealer, you'll simply just take this primer. Okay, it is this pinkish white in shade, and it is also going to act as a corrector, somewhat, like not much. It is just going to make the part of your face smooth where you have to apply the concealer next. So getting a concealer free with one primer, it's just an amazing thing, right? So here I'm taking some concealer, okay, and I'm gonna dab it under my eyes, and you will see, and you can see already that my dark circles are almost hidden completely. Like you need an orange corrector, right, to completely cover the dark circles and for that flawless look. But just see, I'm layering it up. There, I have 2 layers, right? And can you see my dark circles now? No, you can't, right? And I'm just going to apply a little bit on my eyelid because I have some darkness over that area. Also, I'm going to apply some here. It is a little bit hard to get it from this spot actually, but the thing works completely fine, right? And then we have this Neon Beauty blender again, and this one is like in the brush form. We have this and we have this, right? So I'll just show you how to use this one. It doesn't get swollen up or anything if you wet it, so I don't think if there is any need for doing that. It is just perfect if you want to blend in your concealer under your eyes. Okay, but for applying foundation and contouring and all the things, I would suggest this one more because it is kind of a multi-purpose blender. But if you're looking for one affordable blender brush, then go for this. See, isn't my face looking flawless right now? I haven't done nothing. I haven't done much yet. I have just applied some concealer and all, and that's it. And now we can use these contouring shades as well. I have taken this brown shade, right, and I'm going to show you pigmentation. It's good enough, right? You can see it clearly. These things blend in the skin perfectly if you use good moisturizer and if you prime up your face. And they stay put for a good amount of time as well. Here I have one lip liner from Seven Heaven. This is brown in shade and I'm feeling like my eyebrows are light, so I'm gonna just try it on my eyebrows, and I think it works like really. If you're looking for a brown eyebrow pencil, you can go for this one. You can see the difference clearly. It's looking really natural and nice. So moving on to the next product, I think it should be Seven Heaven lip liners only. So I have 7 shades available. Price for now is only rupees 30, and you get one nude peach shade. It's a perfect nude peach shade. The shade name is Nude Beauty. Then we have this Sexy Nude. Actually, Sexy Nude is peachy nude shade and Nude Beauty is pinky nude shade. I'm sorry. And then we have Sinful Orange. It's a pretty orange shade. And then we have French Red, which is a nice red. And then maroon kind of shade, that is deep red. It is Indian red. And we have this brown lip liner, which I applied on my eyebrows. And then we have this Peach Perfect shade. And I'm looking forward for this shade as I haven't tried it before. Okay, so it's a very pretty pinkish type of shade. It's a very beautiful pink actually. It's It's a light, nice pink, which is actually not that light and bright as well. My camera and lighting is not just working right now, I think. There is one con definitely that it does not come with a sharpener, but then we have a solution for that. This is 50 rupees 7 Heavens with sharpener lip liner. And I have this currently in the shade red, and this is in the shade nude. I don't remember the shade name, but it is actually a nude color. It glides on really smoothly when I apply it on my lips. And like lip liners do make lips dry, this one also, but very little bit. It doesn't make your lips much drying. And then moving on to the next product, this is in the shade Kinda Sexy, half and half, 7 Heaven only. I think 7 Heaven is coming up with this new name, half and half, as per my knowledge and the information which I get from my wholesale market. And this is a pretty nude shade. Let's just try it. You can see how pretty the shade is. It doesn't glide on that smoothly. You have to apply 2-3 swipes to get the perfect color, but damn, this color is gorgeous. And this is a matte lipstick, stays on your lips for like 3-4 hours and doesn't make your lips feel a lot drying. This is a good matte lipstick, and it's always preferred to apply a lip balm before you apply a matte lipstick. Moving on to the lipsticks again, I have this amazing thing. Here is the lipstick palette. This is from 7 Heaven, and this is a travel kit, 7 Heavens Photogenic Color Madness travel kit. You are gonna get 12 lipsticks, right? You're going to get 12 lipsticks, I'm serious, for just rupees 270 for set A and 250 rupees for set B. Set B is just perfect for people who like deep shades, and set A is perfect for all college girls or people who like bright shades, as well as who want to have some nudes in their palette. I'm right, it has brown undertone nude plus peach undertone brownish nude as well, plus peachish nude as well, and then there is one more pinkish nude as well. So set A is priced at rupees 270 right now. These lipsticks are perfectly matte. Color is awesome. You get the color in just 1 or 2 swipes, and staying power is like normal 3 to 4 hours. Sometimes lips feel a little bit dry after you apply this lipstick, like after 2-3 hours. So it's better to apply a lip balm underneath, and you're getting so many shades for such a small price. It's a great deal. This is just perfect for birthday gift or travel kit, or for you if you want to try some amazing lip colors and if you don't want to spend a lot, right? Then I'll just show you the swatches of these set A and set B. Now I think I just have to make this video a little fast now because this is getting really long. I now have this Kiss Beauty Concealer Pen. I know I have already hid the dark circles, but still you can see the coverage. It's a perfect highlighting stick. It comes only in one shade, that's a con, but it works perfect as a highlighting thing. ठंड बहुत है, खांसी आ रही है, बहुत दर्द हो रहा है गले में सही में. इतना प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा, सफिशिएंट इनफ है, प्राइस बहुत कम है, मैं सिर्फ आपको 100 रुपीज़ में इसको दे रही हूँ, ठीक है. अब हम इसको ब्लेंड करते हैं. इजीली ब्लेंड हो रहा है इससे भी. मैंने बोला ही था अंडर आई के लिए अच्छा है, राइट. इससे भी करके देख लेते हैं. आप लोगों को सेल करने के पहले मैं अपने लिए सब लेती हूँ, सो दैट आई कैन ट्राई दीज ऑल एंड सो दैट आई कैन गिव यू द बेस्ट रिव्यू पॉसिबल, प्लस सो दैट आई कैन हेल्प यू गाइज आउट, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट हियर फॉर डूइंग बिजनेस काइंड ऑफ थिंग completely. I am here to help you guys out. See, beautifully highlighted, not very dramatic, natural highlight is there. Okay, now moving on to the next product. I have these two kajals. This one is for 45 rupees from Blue Heaven. This is a simple regular kajal. I completely love this kajal. I don't get color on my waterline with any kajal, whether it's L'Oreal, whether it's Lakme Iconic. They hurt my eyes a lot. But these kajals from Blue Heaven, they are amazing. The small one is for 45 rupees. Pigmentation is great. I'm sure you guys have seen me using this kajal many a times already. Then this is that retractable kajal. If you want to apply that thin line, then this one works great. This reaches for only rupees 125. And one great thing about these Blue Heaven is a no animal testing brand. So this is awesome. And it's an Indian brand. So that's also a great thing. And mind you guys, I have very sensitive eyes. And this just don't hurt my eyes at all. Pigmentation is great, and these are kind of waterproof as well, because my mother has some allergy in her eyes, and she has those watery eyes, like really watery eyes if she puts anything on her eyes. And even if she don't put, she uses this kajal and I use this kajal. I also have watery eyes actually, so both works perfectly. If you're looking for this kind of retractable kajal, go for this. Otherwise you can go for this one as well. Both are awesome. It has this fine tip which is perfect for thin lines. See, they're just very easy to use as well. Perfect for applying a base for black smoky eyes. Perfect for applying on waterlines. Also, you can apply on your eyelids, and these does not smudge much, I mind you. These are just awesome. Moving on to the next eye product. I have got this Curling Lengthening Dense Instantly Waterproof Mascara. I cannot comment on waterproof thing yet because I haven't tested that thing. Net 8 ml, which is a great amount of product. Lengthening the lashes, perfect shape. Many claims, guys. This is from Neon, volumizing, waterproof, perfect shape, charming mascara. So many claims. Packaging is so adorable. Price is rupees 185. This is how the wand looks like, and just see if it works or not. Very easy to apply. I'm using this product for the first time. Very easy to apply, like really. Not drying at all. Increasing the length as well as it is giving the volume. At only rupees 185, this is awesome. I get these things at lower prices together because I buy these in bulk. So much cheaper for me. Just look at it. Like, see the difference. This is my eyelash and this is how my eyelashes look. Isn't it great? Isn't it great? Like, seriously? Awesome. अभी मैंने इसको लोअर लैश लाइन पे भी लगा लिया है. Just see the difference in both my eyes. आपको क्लियरली दिख रहा होगा. काजल हल्का सा आपको भी फैला हुआ दिख रहा होगा, उस पर ध्यान मत दो, मैंने थोड़ा ठीक से नहीं लगाया है. बहुत जल्दी में ऐसे ही लगा लिया था आपको थोड़ा सा ओवरव्यू देने के लिए. अभी हम नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट देखते हैं. अब हमारे पास क्या है, बस जल्दी वीडियो खत्म होने वाली है. आई एम सॉरी फॉर मेकिंग दिस वीडियो सो लॉन्ग गाइस. हमारे पास यहाँ पर है Baked Rouge. This is from Mion. It is written that it is highlight, blush and bronzer. You can apply this as a blush. It has this copper sheen also. You get the silver sheen. You can obviously apply this as a highlighter. Obviously it bronzes because this is just perfect shade for bronzing, and I think it is going to look perfect on all skin types. It will work perfectly. And also this thing is very pigmented. Here it is. This thing is like really pigmented. Can be used as eyeshadow as well, right? अभी मैंने बहुत हल्का सा लगाया था, लाइक सच्ची में ये बेक्ड है, मैंने सच में बहुत हल्का सा लगाया था, अच्छे से ऐसे भी नहीं किया था. अभी तो थोड़ा सा और लगा के देखते हैं. Look at it guys, look at it. See, beautifully pigmented this thing is, like really, right? इसमें साथ के साथ ना हल्का सा बीच में सिल्वर वाला भी मिलता है, ये देखो. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन प्लस पॉइंट. अभी फिलहाल ये 250 पे प्राइस्ड है. बढ़ सकता है इसका रेट, आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस. इजीली नहीं मिलता है. सी, इतना तगड़ा वाला मस्त वाला ग्लो आता है ना इसका हाईलाइट पे. अभी ठीक से ना लाइट नहीं पड़ रही है. इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स द लाइट अ लॉट. एंड ब्रॉन्ज करने के लिए परफेक्ट है. ये देखो, यहाँ हमने कंटूरिंग वाला लगाया था ना, उसके ऊपर लगा रही हूँ. फिंगर से ही ब्लेंड कर देते हैं. If you are looking for that glowing wala bronzer na, this is awesome. सी इट जस्ट लुक्स ऑसम. आई थिंक हाईलाइटर से ज़्यादा ना ये ब्रॉन्जर का काम और आई शेडो का काम बेटर कर रहा है, बट आई एम श्योर ये हाईलाइटर भी बहुत अच्छा है. ये देखिए अब लाइट पड़ रही है तो थोड़ा सा दिख रहा है, ठीक से लाइट नहीं पड़ रही है, बट आई like this thing more as a bronzer or a blush and an eyeshadow. It's just that perfect shade which everyone should have. बहुत सारा क्वांटिटी है, देखो कितना सारा क्वांटिटी है. दिस इज ऑसम गाइस. देन हमारे पास यहाँ पर है ये सिल्वर वाला. मेरी तरह सिल्वर कलर से बहुत प्यार है ना, देन यू गाइस शुड बाय दिस वन. ये सिल्वर वाला है, मैंने अभी ये ओन नहीं किया है बिकॉज आई एम लाइक रियली शॉर्ट ऑफ मनी राइट नाउ. सो मेरे पास अभी ये कॉपर वाला है, ये भी ले लूँगी बाद में. अभी सिल्वर वाला और भी है मेरे पास, तो अभी सिल्वर की नीड नहीं थी. ये वाला भी बहुत अच्छा है, इसका प्राइस 240 है. सिल्की ब्लेंडेबल फॉर्मूला, एक्चुअली इट्स वेरी नाइस. इसको भी आप आई शेडो की तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हो, हाईलाइटर की तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हो. नोज को हाईलाइट करना, यहाँ पर लगाना, यहाँ पे परफेक्ट लगेगा, बहुत अच्छा है. ब्लश, हाईलाइट, ब्रॉन्ज. पर्सनली हाईलाइट और आई शेडो का काम अच्छे से करता है. आई थिंक हो गए हैं सभी प्रोडक्ट्स आज के लिए ख़त्म. अच्छा, लेट मी टेल यू गाइस, मिस क्लेयर के कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे हैं और साथ में क्या आ रहा है, अरेजिया मैट में आ रहा है, और मिस क्लेयर के सॉफ्ट मैट लिप क्रीम्स और मिस क्लेयर के जो नए शिमर ब्रिक्स हाइलाइटर्स हैं वो आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, वो आपको लेकिन अलग से ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज वो अलग जगह से मैं शिप कराऊंगी आपको डायरेक्टली, तो उसका शिपिंग चार्ज रहेगा 100 रुपीज़. प्राइसेस मैं कम से कम रखने की कोशिश करूंगी बिकॉज आई वांट टू गिव यू गाइस द बेस्ट प्राइस पॉसिबल. मैं यहाँ पर लूटने के लिए नहीं हूँ आप लोगों को, एंड यहाँ पर सिर्फ प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए नहीं हूँ. आई एम हियर टू हेल्प यू गाइस. सो अभी जो थोड़ा सा बचा खुचा था ना वो मैंने लगा लिया है. आई मीन लाइक यहाँ पे आई शेडो लगाना था, मस्कारा लगाना था. लेफ्ट साइड पे मस्कारा लगाना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है यार, ऐसे चलता ही नहीं मुझसे. राइट से ना ये बहुत ईजीली हो जाता है. अब ये राइट में ना कर जाती है बीच में. सो I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a really long video. I hope that you guys still enjoyed it because here I showed all the nice affordable makeup products. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for being patient and watching the video till the end. Thanks a lot. Love you guys a lot.